Hey, it's Bobby here, and welcome to the How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020. Tip number 17, comment on every video. But before that, I want to go ahead and review the past 16 tips because that's how we got more views, and not because it's clickbait, right? It's more the first 16 tips were actually to increase your watch time. And that's all YouTube cares about. It's watch time, right? So as long as you have a video that your viewers will watch longer and not just click, right? Not click-through rate, but how long they stay on your video, then YouTube will give you more videos. So the part 2 of this, in the last 15 days of this challenge, I'm going to focus on how to get more subscribers. All right, so stay tuned. But first, let's review last week's tip. Tip number 16, which was 7 types of contents that works for YouTube, right? Number 1, how to make money online, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to write a blog. The other one was lists, right? The top 5 mistakes that YouTubers make, the top 7 ways YouTubers make money. Number 3, compilations, best 5 videos of best 5 videos of Bobby's bloopers, the top 10 playlist of YouTube for 2020, writing reviews, doing review videos, doing interviews, doing case studies, doing live tutorials. All right, so like I said, comment on every video, right? So any video that you consume on YouTube, you should comment on that video. And you should get in a habit of subscribing to channels to similar niches, similar target audience, similar topics. So whenever that video gets on your feed, whenever it's uploaded, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So give me a thumbs up, guys, and drop a comment down below. Because once you do drop a comment down below, think about it. It's like an ad for you, right? So people will see your name. Make it a memorable comment, right? It's a valuable comment as well, or something enticing, okay? So entertain, teach, or get their attention, all right? So people can click on your name and it goes straight to your channel. Does that make sense? So yeah, I've even seen channels grow from 0 to 500 subscribers by commenting every day. Isn't that crazy? Well, let me know if you do comment every day and every video that comes out. Please let me know how often do you grow your channel? How often do you get subscribers? Is it more or less? And guys, I just want to put a disclaimer out there. I'm not saying spam your link. Don't spam your subscriber link. Don't spam your YouTube video link. Don't do that. Just provide value, all right? No spamming. No spamming. Thank you. And stay tuned for tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Tip number 18 I'll give you a hint. It's something related to comments as well. All right, guys? So if you do like this kind of content and like my first half of the challenge, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and notification bell. You got it. And comment down below. Thank you. Have a good day, guys. Peace out.